Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY.
So this week,
we install baseboards. This makes the rooms look bigger and actually beautiful.
as you may have seen the last few weeks, we've been working on our son-in-law and daughter's house. They moved back to Hawaii, and so we've been helping them renovate with things like painting, and so we have links to some of the other videos that we've done. This week, as she mentioned, we're doing baseboards. It wasn't something that's normally very difficult to do. However, their household goods got delivered and everything was all over, so we had to kind of crawl behind furniture and do things, so it was a little bit interesting on how it worked, but it worked out really well. So we're going to go ahead and show you how we did that. Now onto the video. In general, walls are not a perfect 90 degrees, so we use a miter saw protractor to determine the actual angle. The protractor shows the exact angle to set the miter saw to make the perfect cut. Our good friend at Grumpy's Workshop has an awesome video on how to use the miter saw protractor.
After we cut the baseboards, we used a nail gun to attach it to the wall. To make this look more professional, we're going to use frog tape and then caulk the boards.
Then we apply the caulk and wipe off the excess.
Then we take the tape off and it looks fantastic.
Now it's just a matter of moving the furniture around and working one wall at a time to finish the whole house. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Yes, it does.
It has to be perfect.
It has to be perfect.
So we've been working hard for several weeks now and decided to take a break. What better option than coming to the Honolulu Zoo?
If you enjoy our video, please hit that like button and leave us a comment. This helps our channel grow. And also, don't forget to subscribe below.
Yay!
Okay, it was actually a simple project. We did take a break in there and had a little bit of fun. It was well earned. So next week, we still have some additional projects that we're trying to finish up. Unfortunately, there's some family member that tested positive for the Rona. And because of that, we're all kind of required to be quarantined to see if we're positive or not as well. And because of that, we can't go to the local hardware store and pick up the wood that we need to finish up the Murphy bed that we're in the middle of building. So hopefully we can get that started on real soon as we get some test results. If not, it's going to be a little bit later, a few weeks out until we can finish that. But we have some other smaller ideas and that we've been needing to work on as well. So one way or another, we'll get a project out and we'll see you again next week.
So until then, bye-bye.